శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. శుక్లాంబరధరం విష్ణుం శశివర్ణం చతుర్భుజం ప్రసన్నవదనం ధ్యాయేత్ సర్వవిఘ్నోపశాంతయే. వాగీశ్యాధ్యాః సుమనసః సర్వార్థానుపక్రమే యం నత్వా కృతకృత్యా స్యుః తన్నమామి గజాననం. శారదా శారదాంభోజవదనా వదనాంబుజే సర్వదా సర్వదాస్మాకం సన్నిధిం సన్నిధిక్రియాత్. యా కుందేందు తుషారహార ధవళా యా శుభ్రవస్త్రాన్వృతా యా వీణావరదండమండితకరా యా శ్వేతపద్మాసనా యా బ్రహ్మాచ్యుత శంకర ప్రభృతిభిః దైవైః సదా పూజితా సా మాం పాతు సరస్వతీ భగవతి నిశ్శేషజాడ్యాపహ. జ్ఞానానందమయం దేవం నిర్మలస్ఫటికాకృతిం ఆధారం సర్వవిద్యానాం హయగ్రీవం ఉపాస్మహే. కూజంతం రామరామేతి మధురం మధురాక్షరం ఆరుహ్య కవితాశాఖాం వందే వాల్మీకికోకిలం. వాల్మీకేర్మునిసింహస్య కవితావనచారిణః శృణ్వన్ రామకథానాదం కో నయాతి పరాంగతిం. అంజనానందనం వీరం జానకీ శోకనాశనం కపీశమక్షహంతారం వందే లంకాభయంకరం. This attempt is to actually explain the meaning of Sankshepa Ramayana, the first sarga of Balakanda, with a idea that how Sanatana Dharma, any kavya, any shastra, how it is integrating everything into one comprehensive learning experience, and how that helps someone lead a life in all sorts of scenarios with dharma. Dharma, so there are Sanatana Dharma, which is the eternal principle that is established using Vedas, in the Vedas, by the Vedas. It is the same principle or the dharma which is said in Srimad Ramayanam. Currently, we are going through this period of Vasanta Navaratri, Vasanta Masa, Chaitra Masam, Vasanta Rutu, Suklapaksham, Panchami, Ravivaram, Sunday, in the Ravi Yoga Kala. Let us try and understand the essence of Sankshepa Ramayana. So this Arsha Dharma or Sanatana Dharma it passes from Rishi to Rishi, a sage to sage. So Sankshepa Ramayanam starts with a very interesting opening verse saying that Om tapasvadhyaya niratam tapasvi vagvidam varam naradam paripapracha valmikir munipungavam. Tapaha swadhyaya niratam. One who is ever engaged in tapas and swadhyaya. Swadhyaya is self-study, studying scriptures, studying what sages have said. Veda Rishis, Puranas, all the Rishis, all these discussions which have happened between the Rishis, so they are tapaha. Tap is to heat or practice the spirituality. Those who are engaged themselves in the tapas, swadhyaya, niratam, these are the qualifications of Naradam. Tapaswadhyaya niratam, tapasvi vagvidam varam, Naradam to the Narada, Pariparpacha Valmikihi Munipungavam. A Munipungava who is normally silent, when Narada came to his ashrama, having duly provided the Atithi Satkaras and the obediences to the great sage Narada, he is asking a question. So this question consists of a combination of 18 qualities he is looking for. So the prashna, this is called pariprashna. So Narada is been asked, because Narada has a knowledge of a lot of things, and a tapasvi, sage only. So the Guru Sishya Parampara, for the Ramayana Mahamantra, the sage is Narada. Narada Maharshi is doing the discourse, or Narada Maharshi is telling this to Valmiki, and later Valmiki Maharshi writes it, or he creates this prabandha, this kavya. So tapaswadhyaya niratam. So Sanatana Dharma is also known as Arsha Dharma, because it has been said by several rishis, several sages, same truth. Satyam remains the same. So the Valmiki Ramayana or the Sankshepa Ramayana starts with tapaha. So tapas is the significant part of Sanatana Arsha Dharma. Swadhyaya and tapas. These are the things which will take anybody to the final Purushartha of moksha. So Valmikir Munipungavam. So now the question goes in 4 slokas. Let us read all the 4 slokas and try to understand. Konvasmin sampradam loke gunavan kascha viryavan dharmajnascha kritajnascha satyavakyo dhrudavratah charitrena cha ko yuktaha sarvabhuteshu ko hitah vidvan kahakas samardhascha kaschaika priyadarshanaha आत्मवान को जितक्रोधो द्युतिमान को नसूयकः कस्य बिभ्यति देवाश्च जातरोषस्य संयुगे एतद् इच्छाम्यहं श्रोतुं परं कौतूहलं हि मे महर्षे त्वं समर्थोऽसि ज्ञातुमेवं विधं नरम्. कौन कहा, who is, अस्मिन् संप्रदन लोके, in the current world, at that time, Narada is being asked, Sampradan Loke, Gunavan, who is having qualities, Gunavan, good qualities, Kascha Viryavan, not only qualities and also the ability to execute, Virya. Dharmajnascha, one who understands the Dharma. Dharma Jna, Jna used to know. Dharmajna, one who knows Dharma. Kratagnyascha, Krata is to do. Kratagna is one who remembers what is being done, what is done to him, what he is doing. Kratagnyascha. Dharmajnascha knows what to do. Kratagnyascha knows how to do what, or whatever is done. Kratagnya. Kratagnya is used typically in sense of one who will not forget any favor done to him. But Kratagnya can be said as anything krita, knowing what you are doing. That also can be taken as a meaning, kritagnyascha. Satyavakyo, always speaks truth, speaks only truth. What truth is bringing the mind, thought in the mind, speech and action together. Trikarana Suddhi is only known as truth. What you say, you do. What you think, you will be able to say. Satyavakyo dhrudavratha. Dhrudavratha. Once he takes up an action, firm resolve. Dhrudavratha. Vrata is to resolve. Dhruda, strong. Strong resolve. Satyavakyo, not only Satyavakya, and having said that Vakya, Dhrudavrataha. Charitrena cha ko yuktaha. By the charitra, history or his narrative, what people think about him. Ko yuktaha, who is considered to be a good person by the charitra. Charitrena cha ko yuktaha. Sarvabhuteshu kohitaha, not only for human beings, Sarvabhuteshu, considerate to all the bhutas, all the beings, all the fundamental elements, earth, fire, water, that is called bhutas. Similarly, all the beings, human beings, animals, plants. Sarvabhuteshu ko hitaha. Hitaha, who will look for their benefit, not his benefit. To ko hitaha. Vidvan kaha, one who knows, with one who has the with knowledge. Vidvan, one who knows. Vidvan kaha. Kas samarthascha, every time knowing, and samartha means ability to perform. Samarthascha, kaschaika priyadarsanaha, who is pleasing in appearance. Pleasing in appearance, not physical appearance, pleasing emotionally, pleasing at the mind level. Atmavan ko, who knows Atma, own self. Atmavan kaha, who has control over the self. Atmavan kaha. Jatakrodho, who has conquered his own krodha, unnecessary anger. Krodha. When it is required, krodha need to come. Atmavan ko jitakrodha, dyutiman ko anasuyakaha, who has crossed over the jealousy, who has very brighter, powerful, dyutiman. Dyuti is light. Dyutiman ko anasuyakaha, kasya bhibhyati devascha jetaroshasya samyuge. When he gets angry, even gods fear him. Such ferocious person. Who is that person? Etadichamyaham srotum param kautuhalam hime. So this I wanted to know. I have supreme kutuhala, curiosity. No, any such person is there. Maharshe, Narada, O Maharshi, Tvam Samardhosi. If you know somebody, if you are capable of explaining this kind of about such a person to me, Jnatum evam vidham naram. I wanted to know such kind of a person. Jnatum evam param kautuhalam hime. In me there is a kutuhala. In me, can you please enlighten me if there is someone like that? Having questioned thus, so now Valmiki put these 16 qualities, Gunavan kasya viryavan, like that, Jnatumevam vidham naram. Shrutva chaitat trilokagno Valmikir narado vachaha. Shruyatam iti chamantriya prahrushto vakyam abravit. So in this rishis, there is a quality. If somebody asks a good question like this, Rishi will take all his effort to explain this. Narada became prahrushta. Prahrushto vakyamadru. He became very happy. And Srutvacha etat, having heard this question, Srutvacha etat trilokagno Valmikir Narada. Trilokagnaha. Naradaha is trilokagnaha, who knows all the three lokas. He has all the free access to go anywhere. Valmikir Narado Vachaha Shruyatamiti Chamantriya. I will tell you. That's what he said. Then he started saying, Bahavo Durlabhas Chaiva Yetvaya Kirtita Gunaha Mune Vakshyamyaham Buddhya Tair Yuktaha Sruyatam Naraha. So, O Muni, O silent one, Valmiki, Maharshi, Muni, Bahavo Durlabhas Chaiva, several difficult to get qualities. Yetvaya Kirtita Guna, you have selected these qualities, very difficult to get. Such qualities, Mune Vakshyamyaham Srot, Mune Vakshyami, O Mune, I will tell you, Buddhya Tair Yuktaha Sruyatam Naraha, who you are looking for, such a person is there. I will tell you. So listen to me carefully. So having asked the question, Narada now agreed to tell about such a person who is having these 16 qualities which we have discussed. Now he starts about 10 slokas. He actually explains about 11 slokas, 11 and a half to be very precise. Slokas. Each sloka will have 32 letters. It is Anushtup Chanda. So in this chandas, he now rephrases. There is a person, he is giving a person, all the Balakanda of Ramayana is hinted upon. That is how the Muni or a Narada Maharshi actually teaches this. So it starts with like that. Ikshvaku vamsa prabhavo Ramo nama janai srutaha. Ikshvaku vamsa prabhavaha Ramaha nama. His name is Ramaha nama. Janai srutaha. People are known him as Ramaha. Niyatatma, who has controlled his self. Niyatatma, Mahaviryo, having wonderful Mahavirya, not only just Virya, Mahavirya. Dyutiman, Dhrutiman, Vasi, who is having lot of Dyuti means brightness, power. Dhrutiman, lot of resolve. And having all these qualities, he is Vasi also. Vasi means he comes into our level. He will be caught by us. Vasi, Vasha, Vasham. So he is reachable to us. He is not completely unreachable. So somebody who is having a little bit of power, he will not be completely, a little bit of talent, a little bit of power itself is not reachable. He will become a big idol in any time actually. But this Rama is Vasi, that is important. Buddhiman, who is having intellect. Nitiman, Vagmi, just not intellect, also Nitiman. Vagmi, he also speaks sweetly. Vagmi. Sriman, he uses this Sriman word 2-3 times, but Sriman means one who has Sri or the direction, Sreyas. Sri or Lakshmi, Paryaya-padas. Today is Lakshmi Panchami. So Sriman. Shatru Nibarhanaha, who can control the Shatrus, internal and external. Vipulamsho Mahabahuhu, Kambugrivo Mahahanuhu. His physical qualities are being explained. Vipulamsho Mahabahuhu, having great bahus, great hands. Kambugrivo, having a great Sankha like Griva, neck, means good sounding. Neck is used to talk. Kambugrivo. Mahahanuhu, having great Hanu. Hanuman means the lips. These are all speaking instruments. Mahahanuhu. Mahorasko Maheshwaso Godhajatrurarindamaha Ajanubahuhu Susiraha Sulalataha Suvikramaha Samaha Samavibhaktangaha Snigdhavarnaha Pratapavan Penavaksha Visalaksho Lakshmivan Subhalakshanaha. All Subhalakshanas, all these different Lakshanas. This is Samudrika Shastra. In the Samudrika Shastra, based on the person's build, his mental build-up is understood. How a person behaves based on his physical build. Physical build and mental build are related. How to read mental build from physical build is something called Samudrika Shastra. Subhalakshanaha. Again, he is saying what are all the other qualities, not physical qualities. Dharmajnaha, knows all the dharmas. Satya Sandhascha, holds on to the truth. Prajanancha Hiterataha, people who are the prajas, praja means children, his one's own children, one meaning. Praja also means the people who are being administered, public administration, a king's subjects. Prajanancha Hiterataha, in the people's well-being he will enjoy in the people's well-being. He Prajanancha Hiterataha. Yasasvi Jnana Sampannaha, he is having yashas. Not only that, he is Jnana Sampannaha, he is having the wealth of Jnana. Suchir Vasyaha Samadhiman, Suchihi, pure, Vasyaha, approachable. Vasi, Vasyaha, Samadhiman, having balanced attitude. Samadhi, Samadhiman, always established in the Samadhi. Samadhiman. Prajapati Samaha, Shriman, he is like Prajapati. Prajapati Samaha, equal to Prajapati. Shriman, Dhata, రిపునిషూదనః రక్షితా జీవలోకస్య ధర్మస్య పరిరక్షితా రక్షితా స్వస్య ధర్మస్య స్వజనస్య చ రక్షితా. He is Prajapati Samaha. He is equivalent to Prajapati. Shriman, again Shriman is being repeated. Shriman, who is having a Sri direction, Shreyas, towards the ultimate goal. Shriman, Dhata Ripunishodanaha, Dhata, who holds everything together, Ripunishodanaha, who will destroy the enemies. Rakshita Jevalokasya, so with all those abilities, what will he do? He will first Rakshita Jeevalokasya, not only human beings, all the living beings. Rakshita Jeevalokasya, Dharmasya Parirakshita. Of this Dharma, which is the eternal principle of this world, which keeps this world as world. Dharma, Dharmasya Parirakshita. So Rakshita Jeevalokasya, by protecting the Jeevaloka, Dharmasya Parirakshita. Rakshita swasya dharmasya, his own dharma he rakshita, he protects his own dharma, one's own duty performance. So dharma here means the overall universal binding principle which is binding the universe as universe. Swadharma is an individual's binding principle which is making somebody as that somebody. The prasad is prasad because he is having his own duties here. Similarly, somebody else is. Rakshita swasya dharmasya swajanasya cha rakshita, having protected one's own dharmas, swajanasya cha rakshita. Those people who come under refuge, who comes to him for the protection, he protects them. Swajanasya cha rakshita. Veda vedanga tatvajno, Veda vedanga. Vedas are the main apaurushaya granthas of Sanatana Dharma. Vedangas are the angas, are the limbs of this Sanatana Dharma's Veda. Without understanding the Vedangas, Veda cannot be understood. So Veda study is a complicated task. Veda vedanga tattvajno. Veda vedanga tattvajna. Tattva is the principle behind, the philosophy behind the whole of this. So philosophy consists of knowledge, the jnana layer, and karma, the actions layer. Should know what you have to do, you should know how to do that and do that. This is the dharma. By this following the dharma, rata is enjoyed. Ratam means experienced dharma is known as ratam. So Veda vedanga tattvajno Dhanurvedecha nishtitaha. He is Dhanurveda is the art of war. So why a Kshatriya should learn Dhanurveda is to protect his people or whoever approaches him for protection. We will see whoever have approached for his protection and how they have been protected later. Dhanurvedecha nishtitaha. This word also says he followed Vishwamitra. So in the Balakanda, Dhanurveda has been taught to Rama by Vishwamitra. By taking him as a disciple, Vishwamitra comes on his own volition, asks Rama to follow him and teaches Dhanurveda to protect his own yajna. First he protects the yajna of Vishwamitra. Sarvashastrardha tatvajnaha, Sarvashastra ardha tatvajnaha. Not only shastras, superficial knowledge, he knows the philosophy behind them. Smrutiman pratibhanavan, he has a lot of smriti, memory power. Pratibhanavan, not only memory power, he will be able to recollect it and rephrase it when, that is called pratibha. Pratibha is being able to bring out the required knowledge and put it back into the conversation as and when needed. That is pratibhanavan. Sarvaloka priyaha, he is adored by Sarvaloka priyaha, all lokas. Sadhuhu, sadhuhu, a good composed person. Adinatma vichakshanaha, not having any dainyam. Dainyam is something, a quality that I may not be able to do this. This thought itself is called Dina. Dina, it is not possible to me. There is nothing like that. Adinatma, nothing is impossible for him. Everything is possible for him. Adinatma vichakshanaha, he can discriminate between the good and bad properly. He can also discriminate what is right, what is wrong. Sarvadabhigatah sadbhihi samudra iva sindhubhihi आर्यः सर्वसमश्चैव सदैव प्रियदर्शनः. So sarvadabhigatah sadbhihi. Sarvad abhigatah. You understood everything. All learned sarvadabhigatah sadbhihi. All the sadbhi, all good people approach him like samudrayava sindhubhihi. All the waters of the rivers, as they reach the ocean, in the same way, sarvad abhigatah sadbhihi, all sadbhi, all good people will approach him as if naturally, like all waters flow into the ocean. Aryaha, the Aryaha is not a race, not somebody belonging to a race or anything. Aryaha, who is superior in the knowledge, who is respectable position, who is understood things, who has protected people, known as Aryaha. Aryaha sarva samaschaiva. Everything is considered as samaha. Sarva samaha chaiva. Sadaiva priyadarsanaha. Sadiyeva priyadarsanaha. Always is pleasing to look at him, approach him, go to him. Sacha sarvagunopetaha kausalyanandavardhanaha. Now the mother's name is brought in. Such sarvagunopetaha, who is having combination of all these qualities explained. Again rephrased those 16 qualities, added the physical qualities, psychological, emotional qualities, his intellect, everything, putting together dharmatma, satyasandhaha, those things putting together. Now Rama sarvada such a sarvaguno kausalyananda vartanaha, he has born to increase the ananda, bliss of Kausalya. Samudra iva gambhirye dhairyena himavaniva. Now the similes are brought in. Samudra iva gambhirye, he is like a ocean in terms of gambhirya, so not shaking. So samudra, how much ever water comes in there, it won't grow. How much ever water goes away from here, it will not diminish. Samudra iva gambhirye dhairyena himavaniva. In terms of dhairya, dhiratva, dhairya is the valor. Himavaniva, stands still like Himavan, a great mountain, like a mountain. His dhairya is like a mountain. Vishnuna sadruse virye, Vishnuna sadruso virye. In the virya, the capability, he is like Vishnu. Vishnu occupies everything. Vishnuna sadrusa virye, somavat priyadarsanaha, like moon, is always pleasing to see. Everybody wants to see moon, not the sun. Ikshvaku Vamsa Prabhava, born in the sun dynasty, he is Priyadarsanaha like moon. So Rama Chandra Prabhu. So Somavat Priyadarsanaha, Kalagni Satrusa Krodhe. If Krodha comes, if you make him angry, Kalagni Sadrusa like Rudra, Kalagni, time eats everything, nothing is left by that time. Kalagni sadrusaha krodhe. When it comes to krodha, when it comes to anger, like time, no compassion at all in that. Kshamaya prithvi samaha. When it comes to kshama, to forgiveness, quality of forgiveness, prithvi samaha, like earth. We keep kicking earth, we keep digging it for everything. Still, earth is not getting angry with us. Kshamaya prithvi samaha. Dhanadeva samatyage, like Kubera, the lord of wealth. In the Tyaga, he can give anything because he is the lord of wealth. How much ever wealth he gives, his wealth will not go. Satye dharma iva para. In terms of Satya, in terms of following truth, he is Dharmaraja, Dharma Devata. Not Dharmaraja, Dharma Devata itself. Dharma iva paraha, paro dharmaha. So this is the 11 slokas which Narada now have explained the qualities of Rama. Whole of the Balakanda has been explained with this. And now the Narada continuing the narration. So the question asked is who among us in the current period who is having all these 16 qualities. This is the tapaswadhyayana tapasvi vagvidamvaram naradam paripraparcha valmikir munipungavam. So Narada is continuing the next kanda narration. Tamevam gunasampannam ramam satyaparakramam. Sach gunasampannam, who is having this wealth of gunas, ramam satyaparakramam, jaishtam is the eldest, sreshta gunair yuktam, not only just eldest, he is having the best of the qualities, he is having all the sreshta gunaihi yuktam, priyam Dasaratha sutam. So he is loved by the father, Dasaratha sutam. Now father's name is come. First mother's name has been told, Kausalyanandavardhanaha. Now father's name is Dasaratha sutam. Prakritinam hitair-yuktam prakruti priyakamyaya. For the sake of prakriti, environment, or the Raja Prakriti, there are Shat Prakrutis, Ashta Prakrutis, there are various divisions of Prakriti. Prakriti means environment, or the environment in which all this narration can happen, all this story can run, all these things happen. Prakrutinam hitair-yuktam. Prakriti priyakamyaya. For the benefit of Prakriti, Yavarajyana samyoktam aichat pritya mahipatihi. So the king has not decided I will make him the prince just because he is the first son or whatever it is. Also he is having all these qualities for the betterment of Prakriti, for the priya of Prakriti. Yavarajyana samyoktam aichat pritya mahipatihi. Tasya abhisheka sambharan drishtva bharyadha kaikayi. This abhisheka, so to do this coronation of Rama as the prince, the future king of this kingdom, drishtva bharya atha kaikayi, he is having a bharya, kaikeyi, the third name we have got it now. Purvam dattavara devi paramena vayachataha. In past she has got some varam, a word saying that I will fulfill your desire. Two desires for a help what she has done to Dasaratha. So she said, okay, I will take whenever I want, and that vara is pending. Now Purvam dattavara devi paramena mayachataha. She has now asked them. What is that? Very simple. Vivasanancha Ramasya Bharatasya abhishechanam. You have to send away Rama from the house. Excel of Rama. Bharatasya abhishechanam. Bharata need to be coronated into the prince. That's it. 2 varas. Sa satya vachanad raja dharma pasena samyutaha. This is where the Sanatana Dharma comes into the picture. Satyam, Dharmam, Ratam. These 3 things will never go away from Sanatana Dharma. They keep coming back. Satya is eternal truth, which is always there, which cannot be either rejected or accepted by somebody. Dharma is following that truth, eternal truth. Ratam is experience by that following or not following the truth. So Anrutam, by not following the truth, it will become falsehood. So Satya, Satya Vachanad Raja, Satya Vachana, there is a Vachana given to the wife, Dharma Pasena Samyusta. Now he has been taken by the Dharma Pasa. Dharma is saying first son need to be made as king. And if he is having all the qualities, he need to be made as the king. But now Satya takes the precedence and he says, Vivasayamasa sutam Ramam Dasaratha sutam. Dasaratha priyam sutam Ramam Vivasayamasa. He asked him to take exile. Sajagama vanam veraha. So having told, one day Dasaratha called and said, I will make you prince. He said, okay. The next day he called and said, I will ask you to leave the home and go. He said, okay. Sajagama vanam viraha. Here the viryam comes. Means the ability comes here. Ability to perform whatever is the duty comes to you is the viraha. Sajagama vanam viraha pratignyam anupalayan. To fulfill the wish, to fulfill the pratigna, to fulfill what has been done. Piturvachana nirdesat, father's word. Father has asked you to do something. Kaikeyaha Priyakaranaat, because this exile going away, Kaikeya will be made happy. So his own stepmother, one of the mothers. So mother is being made happy and father is asking you to go. He said, I will go. He has taken the pratigna and went. Tam vrajantam priyo bhrata lakshmanonujagamaha snehad vinaya sampannaha sumitranandavardhanaha భ్రాతరందయితో భ్రాతు సౌభ్రాత్రమనుదర్శయన్. సౌభ్రాత్రం, సుభ్రాత, భ్రాత బ్రదర్లీ నేచర్. సౌభ్రాత్రం, the good brotherly nature is shown by tam vrajantam priyo bhrata lakshmanaha. Another name is coming, lakshmanaha anujagamaha. He has followed the brother. Why? Snehad vinaya sampannaha, by the friendly nature sneha. Vinaya sampannaha, by the vinaya is surrendering nature, the bending nature, taking to the situation, bending. Vinaya sampannaha. Sumitra anandavardhanaha, Sumitra's anandavardhanaha. Kausalya anandavardhanaha is used, mother's name is used there, Kausalya anandavardhanaha, Sumitra anandavardhanaha. So now Sumitra anandavardhanaha bhrataram dayito bhratuhu saubhratram anudarsayan. So Bhrata has followed him. Ramasya dayita bharya nityam pranasamahita janakasya kule jata devamaeva nirmita sarvalakshana sampanna narinam uttamavadhuh sitapyanugata ramam sesinam rohini yadham. Stri dharma is being told here. Ramasya dayita bharya, wife of Rama, dayita bharya, nityam pranasamahita. She is not different from him, different from his own life. So Sita is prana to Rama, prana samahitaha. Janakasya kule jata, she has born in Janaka's family. Kule, Janakasya kule, kula is family, in the kula of Janaka. Deva Mayeva Nirmita, like Deva Maya, she has been built. Deva Mayeva Nirmita. Sarva Lakshana Sampanna Narinam Uttamavadhu. She is also having all the Lakshanas of Samudrika Shastra again. Sarva Lakshana Sampanna Narinam, of the women, Uttamavadhu. Vadhu means one who selects. Vara is one who is selected. So Sita selected Rama, or on behalf, Sita actually selected Rama through the test of his valor. So who can lift that bow which Sita lifted very easily at his childhood. So she has been selected. She is the selector and Rama is the selected. Vadhuhu Sita Pyanugata Ramam Sesinam Rohini Yatha. So Sita also followed him. Following the husband is the Stri dharma. So now she did that. Sesinam Rohini Yatha, like a Sesi, Rohini Nakshatra, how she follows the moon. In that way. Paurair anugato duram pitra Dasaradhenacha. People, some of the people followed him. Dasaratha also ran behind his thing for some time. Srungibera Pure Sotam Ganga Kule Vyasarjayat, on the banks of Ganga in the Srungibera Pura. Sotam, he has given up his chariot and charioteer, one who drives his chariot. Sotam Ganga Kule Vyasarjayat, he asked him to go back. Guham Asadya Dharmatma Nishadhadhipatim Priyam, a Nishadha king, Guha, a tribal king. Guha has been taken into help, for the help. Guham Asadya Dharmatma. Dharmatma, who is Dharmatma now? Who is Dharmatma? Rama is Dharmatma. He is taking help of a Nishada king to cross the river. Guhena Chahito Ramo, along with Guha, Lakshmanena cha Sitaya, only Guha, Lakshmana, Sita and Rama. These four people have crossed. So in this side of the banks, the Sotam has been, Suta has been left, and Tevanena Vanangatva Nadim Stirtva Bahudakaha, of lot of water, Bahudakaha Nadim Tirtva, crossing over. Tevanena Vanangatva, they have gone into the forest. చిత్రకూటమనుప్రాప్య భరద్వాజస్య శాసనాత్ ఎ ఋషి ఈజ్ కమింగ్. ఫస్ట్ ఋషి భరద్వాజ అండ్ లాస్ట్ ఋషి అగైన్ భరద్వాజ. భరద్వాజస్య శాసనాత్ రమ్యమావసధం కృత్వా రమమాణావనేత్రయః. భరద్వాజ హ్యాస్ డన్ శాసనం. వాట్ ఈస్ శాసనం? శాసనం మీన్స్ లా. భరద్వాజస్య శాసనాత్, వై సంబడి లైక్ Rama has to follow somebody's శాసనం? In the Chitrakutam, in that place, the Rishi is having the knowledge of that place. And he said, you stay here. So he stayed there. Ramyamavasadhan krutva ramamanaavanetriya, following the elders' advice, following the Bharadwaja's advice, is dharma at that point in time. So Sanatana Dharma is saying how one should behave with all his power, all his knowledge, all his valor. When he is doing this Pratigna Manupalayan, going into the forest for 14 years, a number of years he has to spend there. Tat Deva Gandharva Sankasyan Tatraten Nyavasan Sukham. They started living there like Deva Gandharva Sankasyan, like gods and Gandharvas, how they live. Tatraten Nyavasan Sukham. They don't have any problem for living there. Chitrakutam Gate Rame Putra Sokaturastada Raja Dasaratha Swargam Jagama Vilapan Sutam. So the Raja Dasaratha, what happened here in the Ayodhya? Raja Dasaratha, he has become sad of sending his son away, exiling, which is against dharma, adharmam. But Satya Vakya, it is Satyam. He has stuck by Satya, but not the dharma. But it has to be done, it has been done. Raja Dasaratha has taken that problem, means that has taken that as a mental pressure, and he has gone into and he has succumbed to it. Vilapan Sutan Jagama Swargam, he reached his abode. Mrutetu tasmin Bharato Vasishtha Pramukhair Dvijaihi, here the Raja Dharmam. So when king has passed away, now Vasishtha, Devaguru is coming. Until now we have not spoken about Vasishtha. Vasishtha came into this narration of Narada to Valmiki after Dasaratha passed away. What has happened? Vasishtha Pramukhair Dvijaihi. Starting with Vasishtha, all other ministers, Dvijaihi, ministers, the advisors, counselors, Niyujjamano Rajjaya Naichad Rajyam Mahabalaha. So they have asked Bharata to take up the kingdom. That is dharma. So a kingdom should not be there without a king. So the Purohita comes and asks Bharata to take the kingdom up. Naichad Rajyam Mahabalaha. Bharata says, I don't want this Rajyam, it is not dharma. Sa Jagama Vanam Viro Ramapada Prasadakaha. So he went into the forest to request his Ramapada Prasadakaha, of the Rama Pada Prasada, to request him to bring back. Gatvatu Samhatmanam Ramam Satya Parakramam Ayachat Bhrataram Ramam Arya Bhava Puraskrutaha Tvameva Raja Dharmajna Iti Ramam Vacho Bravit. So Ayachat, he has begged the brother, the elder brother, Ayachat Bhrataram Ramam Arya Bhava Puraskrutaha, with respect, with that higher position, giving the brother higher position, he has asked the brother to come. Tvameva Raja Dharmajna, you are the Dharmajna, you know the Dharma, so you have to be the king. Tvameva Raja, you only is the king. Iti Ramam, iti Ramam Vacho Bravit, he has gone and requested Rama. Ramopi Paramodaraha, Rama is Parama Udaraha. Udaraha means who is having very broad mind. Sumukhaha, always pleasing Mukhaha, Sumukhaha, who is taking the situation and understanding. Sumahayasyaha, of great yasas, of great kirti, of great name and fame. Nachaichat Pituradesat Rajyam Ramo Mahabalaha. Satyam is Satyam. Satyam need to be followed at any cost. So one Satya Vachanam has been given by the father. Pitur Adesat Rajyam Na Echat. For these 14 years I am in exile. I have to take this exile, and the Rajyam cannot be taken by me. Rajyam Ramo Mahabalaha. Padukechasya Rajyaya. So Bharata requests for a symbol to play the role of king, and under that guidance he will continue to rule the kingdom. పాదుకే చాస్య రాజ్యాయ న్యాసం దత్వా పునః పునః నివర్తయామాస తతో భరతం భరతాగ్రజ ద ఎల్డర్ బ్రదర్ ఆఫ్ భరత రామ sent back Bharata, giving the padukas to him, saying that you go and continue your duty. So duty performance, whoever has to perform whatever duty at the given point of time is the dharma. That is the Sanatana Dharma. Everybody has to follow. So Bharata has that rule. He has to go and do his, whether he likes it or not, he wants it or not, that doesn't matter. సకామం అవనవాప్త్యైవ రామపాదావుపస్పృశన్ నందిగ్రామే కరోద్రాజ్యం రామాగమనకాంక్షయా. సో హీ హెస్ గాన్ బ్యాక్ అండ్ హీ హెస్ షిఫ్టెడ్ హిస్ క్యాపిటల్. హీ డోంట్ వాంటెడ్ టు రన్ ద కింగ్డమ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద సేమ్ ప్లేస్ వేర్ Rama has to perform his kingdom. So he shifted his capital to Nandigrama. Akarodrajyam Ramagamanakanksheya. For the waiting to Rama will come back again. So until that point in time, I will have to deliver my duties. Gatetu Bharate Sriman Satyasandho Jitendriyaha. Jita Indriyaha, who has conquered his own Indriyas, Satyasandhaha, who is always holding the Satya, the truth. Now he has thought. Ramastu Punaralakshya Nagarasya Janasya Cha Tatragamanamekagro Dandagan Privivesaha. Why he has moved away from there? It is an important point. Ramastu Punaralakshya Nagarasya Janasya Cha. Other Nagara people, other city people of Ayodhya come and visit him because everybody knows where Rama is now. So other Janas can come for his thing. It will disturb his own dharma. He has to be in exile. So he should not be in the company of the Nagara, people of Nagara, or do something to the Nagara. He has to be in the forest. So Nagarasya Janasya Cha Punaralaksha, when as they come back, so Tatragamanamekagro Dandakan Priviveshaha. Then he entered into the deep forest name as Dandakaranya. Dandakan Priviveshaha. Pravishyatu Maharanyam. Previously it is said as Vanam. Vanam is a forest, but it is not that Maharanyam. This Dandaka is Maharanyam. Pravishyatu Maharanyam Ramo Rajivalochanaha. Viradham Rakshasam Hatva Sarabhangam Dadarshaha. He has killed a Viradhavadha. Each is an Akhyayikam. One, it has its own meaning and dharma. Viradham Rakshasam Hatva Sarabhangam Dadarshaha. Sarabhanga Maharshi is the first Maharshi he has seen in Dandakaranya. And he has seen. Then Sutikshnancha, Sutikshna Maharshi, Cha Appi Agastyancha, Agastya Maharshi, Cha Agastya Brataram Tadha, Agastya's brother. All these rishis he has seen. Agastya Vachanachaiva, being instructed by Agastya, Jagraha Indram Sarasanam, Indra Saram. He has taken the Akshaya Trunicha Khadganja Paramapritaha Tunicha Akshaya Sayakauhu. Now here Agastya has asked him to take up the artillery, take up the Ayudhas. What is that Ayudhas? Indra Ayudham, Khadgam Chaparamape, Tuni Chakshaya Sayakau. So there is an infinite number of arrows which can give. Such a arrow, bow and arrow, they have been taken. Tuni Chakshaya Sayakau. Vasatastasya Ramasya Vane Vanacharais Sahaha. Roshayo Bhyagaman Sarve Vadhaya Asura Rakshasam. So all the rishis who are in the Dandakaranya approached Rama. Rashayo Abhyagaman Sarve Vadhaya Aksura Rakshasam. They have requested Rama to protect them from the Rakshasas who were creating a lot of trouble to them. Because now rishis, they have all the power, but they don't protect themselves. They will ask somebody who has that ability. Even though they can give the sapa, they don't give sapa to anybody just like that. Rishis are the people who don't protect themselves. But they can request somebody who has that dharma, the protector. Protector is king. A king need to protect. Knowledge will not protect itself, because in the knowledge, for the rishis, this world has nothing to do with them. Or this world has nothing. This world is nothing for them. But they have requested Dandaka Aranya. Aranya Dharma is there. Within the Aranya, there are the sages who can be there. There are animals who are there. The environment which need to be protected. But this Aranya is infested with a lot of Rakshasas. So they have come and asked, Vadhaya Asura Rakshasam, they have requested for the protection. Satesham Pratisrusrava Rakshasanam Tadhavane Pratignatascha Ramena Vadhas Samyati Rakshasan. Again, Dhrudhavrataha Pratigna. Pratigna means he has given a word to them. Yes, I will protect you. This is where Pratignatascha Ramena Vadhasamyati Rakshasam. Rishinam Agnikalpanam Dandakaranyavasinam. Each Rishi is like a Agnikalpam. So he is himself fire. Every Rishi is a fire. Our Arsha Dharma or this Arsha Dharma comes out of fire. Every Rishi is a fire. Whatever each Rishi says is purified in the fire. So Rishi Vakyam, Arsha Dharma. So Rishinam, Agnikalpanam, Dandakaranyavasinam, they live in the Dandakaranya, they don't come into the Nagaras. They are in the Aranya, they do their tapas in there, they have that place reserved for them. So this is what has happened, Pratignatascha Ramena. Again Rama has done Pratigna. So every time when Rama does Pratigna, he will do that. That is the Satyavakya Paripalana. Lot of examples. Dharma is protection, is the dharma of the king. He is following the king's dharma. Every step. He is a king and he is a father and he is a son and he is a husband. So we will see how he will develop that dharma throughout this Ramayana. Rama's ayana, Rama's path, Rama's method, Rama's direction, Rama's orbit, Rama's going and coming, Uttarayana, Dakshinayana. So like that, Rama's ayana. Pratignatascha Ramena Vadhasamyati Rakshasan. Tena tatraiva vasata janasthana nivasini virupita Surpanakha Rakshasi Kamarupini. So Surpanakha, she is having a big nakhas. Nakha is nails. Surpanakha, the very wide nakhas, Surpanakha, she is known as Kamarupini. She can take any form she wants. She can take very beautiful form. Kamarupa Vidya, she knows. Virupita, she has been Rupa, her Kamarupa, or Rupa has been destroyed. Tatas Surpanakha Vakyad Udyuktan Sarvarakshasan. And she went and complained to the Rakshasas. Akyan Udyuktan Sarvarakshasan Kharam Trisirasam Chaiva Khara Trisirasa Doshanam Chaiva Rakshasam. There are 3 kings, 3 leaders, and there are 14,000. Vijaghana Rane Ramas Tesham Chaiva Padanugan Tena Vanetasmin Nivasata Janasthana Nivasinam Rakshasam Nihatanyasan Sahasrani Chaturdasya. 14,000 Rakshasas have come to fight with Rama. And Rama has done Pratigna, so he has used this Akshaya Saikas, and Agastya has given this artillery and all that required for the fight, and he has performed his duty of protecting the Rishis in the Dandakaranya. Tato Jnativadham Srutva, of the same race, Jnatis are the same race people, Rakshasas have been killed. Jnati Vadham Srutva, heard about the killing of Rakshasas. Ravanaha Krodhamurchitaha. Ravana is the king of Rakshasas who is ruling from Lanka. Krodhamurchitaha, he has Murchitaha, he has taken completely away out of his senses. Krodhamurchitaha, by the Krodha, by the anger. Sahayam Varayamasa Maricham Namarakshasam. He went to a special skilled Rakshasa called Maricha, who has another skill of however he want to become, he will become. Not all the Rakshasas will have all the powers. Even though Ravana is the king of Rakshasas, he has not all the powers. Maricha has Maricha's powers. So Maricha has been hit once in the Vishwamitra time, Vishwamitra's Yajna Bheda. And also in Bharadwaj Ashrama also Maricha tries to come in a deer, like in a deer's form, and Rama puts an arrow on him. So after that Maricha becomes very afraid of Rama and his valor. So he says, Varjamana Subhahuso Marichena Saravanaha Na Virodho Balavata Kshamo Ravana Tenate. Varyamana Subahusho. In various ways, Maricha tried to Varyamanaha, to not to do this thing, whatever Ravana is planning. Ravana's plan is to go and abduct Rama's wife. So Marichana Navirodho Balavata, don't get into the conflict with Balavata, with the powerful person. Kshamo Ravanatenate, so he will forgive you, provided if you don't go and pick up a fight with him. Anadrutyatu tadvakyam Ravana kalachoditaha. So anadrutyatu anadarana. So he has not considered this good counsel by the Maricha. Maricha is a Rakshasa. Rakshasa, he says in various ways, Varyamana Subahusho, various ways, Subahusho, Maricha Nasaravana, Navirodho Balavanta, Kshamo Ravana, Anadrutyatu Tadvakyam, Ravana Kalachoditaha. He is driven by his own time. His own time, end of time is come. So Ravana is now driven by his own time. Kalachoditaha, Jagama Saha Maricha, Tasyasrama Padantada. Along with Maricha, he went to Tasya Asrama Padam, to his asrama. Tena Maya Vinaduram Apavahyan Rupatmajau Jahara Bharyam Ramasya Grudhram Hatva Jatayusham. So Jatayu is a Grudhram, is a hawk. That hawk has been killed. And by this Mayavi, Apavahyan Rupatmajau Dvivachanam. Both Rama and Lakshmana have been taken for, and by killing the Jatayu, Grudhram, Hatva Jatayusham, Jahara Bharyam Ramasya. Bharya of Rama has been abducted, Jahara, stolen. Grudhrancha Nihatan Drashtva Hrutam Srutvacha Maithilim Raghavah Soka Santapto Vilala Pakulindriyaha. Now there is a compassionate husband comes into the picture. Grudhrancha Nihatan Drashtva. Grudra has been killed. Who is protecting his wife when needed? Drashtva Hrutam Srutvacha Maithilim. Having this abduction, Grudram has said, even Jatayu said that Ravana has come and abducted her. Raghava Soka Santapto Vilalapa Akulendriyaha Vilalapa. He has cried, or he has become very disturbed in all his indriyas. It is natural. Nature is nature. Now he is, as a husband, he has become very sad in his name. Tatastenaiva Sokena Grudram Dagdhava Jatayusham. Kratagnyascha, we have been saying, whatever help somebody has done, he will not forget. So now Grudram, of this Jatayu, he has taken him as a father only, who has protected him, his wife, when in the need, tried protecting his wife. He has put him on the pyre. Jatayusham, Grudram Dagdhava Jatayusham. He has performed the final rites to that animal. Even though it is an animal, he has Krutagnyata. Rama's Krutagnyata goes like that. Dagdhava Jatayusham and Dharma. Everybody who passes away need to have final rites. Everybody has right to the final rites, which need to be performed. Margamane Vane Sitam Rakshasam Sandadarsaha Kabandham Nama Rupena Vikrutam Ghoradarshanam Margamane. Now he started searching for his wife. He started going down searching for his wife. And then Rakshasam Sandadars Kabandham Nama Rupena Vikrutam Ghoradarshanam. First Kabandha, one Rakshasa, he has been seen and he has been killed. Tam Nihatya Mahabahur Dadahas Sargatascha Saha. He requested him to again burn. After losing to Rama, Kabandha says, you burn me and I will be released from my current form and I will take my original form. Having taken the original form, Sachasya Kadhayamasa Sabarim Dharmacharinim Sramanim Dharmanipunam Abhigacheti Raghava. By the advice given by the Kabandha Rakshasa, after freed from his Rakshasa Swarupa, he approached the Sabari. Sabarim Dharmacharinim. He said, go to Sabari, you will get good, you will get some benefit by visiting Sabari. She is waiting for you for long. So Sachasya Kadhayamasa Sabarim Dharmacharinim Sramanim Dharmanipunam Abhigacheti Raghavaha. She is Sramanim Dharmanipunam. She also knows Dharma. So you go and visit her. So Bhyagachan Mahateja Sabarim Shatrusudanaha. He went Shatrusudana, Rama, Shabarim, Abhyagachan, he reapproached her. Sabarya Pujata Samyak Ramo Dasharathatmajaha, son of Dasharatha, Ramaha, Sabarya Pujitaha, being worshipped by her. Pampa Tire Hanumata Sangato Vanarenaha. Hanumat Swami has come. Hanumat Swami entered into the scene. Pampa Tire, in the banks of Pampa river, Hanumata Sangato Vanarenaha. He has met the Vanaras, Vanara Hanuman. Hanumad Vachanachaiva Sugrivena Samagataha. Hanuman is the minister of Sugriva. He made the Sandhi. He made the friendship. He actually sought the friendship of Rama. He wanted to make good to his own king. Hanuman took Rama and made them friends. Sugrivaya cha tatsarvam sensad Ramo Mahabalaha. Aditastat yathavrittam Sitayascha Visheshataha. So Rama explained all the Sita's story, what has happened. Aditastat, from the beginning, yathavrittam Sitayascha Visheshataha. Of Sita's abduction, in special, giving special importance, yes. Sugrivaschapi tatsarvam srutva varamasya vanaraha chakara sakyam ramena pritaschaivagnisakshakam. Sugrivaschapi tatsarvam srutva. From the Sugriva also he heard all his story. Chakara sakyam ramena pritaschaivagnisakshakam. Agnisakshi preeti. The friendship is established in the presence of Agni. So it is not a just, okay, I will be your friend, you will be our friend, nothing like that. There is a proper method of seeing that we will help each other. That is the friendship. So the friendship has been, this is again a Rajadharma. When a king establishes a friend king or friendship, it is going to be forever. It is not that very temporary issue-based support. When the Agnisakshika Pramana Pretaschaiva Agnisakshikam. So that is dharma again. In the Sanatana dharma, when you agree to something, it's like a marriage. In the marriage, Agnisakshi is there. The fire is the Sakshi. Fire is everywhere. So when the kindled fire, in front of the fire, once we take, that is the Sakshi, Agnisakshikam. Tato Vanara Rajena Vairasu Kathanam Prati Ramaya Veditam Sarvam Pranayad Dukkhitena cha. Pratignatancha Ramena, Pratigna again. Pratignatancha Ramena tada Valivadham Prati Valinascha Balantatra Kathayamasa Vanaraha. Again Rama did another Pratigna. I will kill Vali. But now there is a problem. Valinascha Balantatra Kathayamasa Vanaraha. Sugriva Sinkitascha Sin Nityam Viryena Raghave. So Sugriva is always doubtful about the capability of Rama. Raghava Pratyayardhantu, so he keeps on telling Vali is so powerful, so valorous, so balavan. So Raghava, for making Raghava understand, Dundubhe Kayamuttamam, there is one Rakshasa called Dundubhi, whose body is fallen there. Darsayamasa Sugrivo Mahaparvata Sannibham, like a great Mahaparvata, big mountain, one body is fallen there. That body is of Dundubhi is shown to Raghava Pratyayardhantu to make Vali has killed this Rakshasa. So Utsmaitva Mahabahu Prechak Chasti Mahabalaha Padangushtena Chikshepa Sampurnam Dasayojanam. With a toe he lifted or he kicked it just with a toe for 10 yojanas dura to prove that his valor to his friend. So friend is now taking before taking him to fight with Vali, he is testing. How capable are you? Can you protect me? So his question is valid. So Rama has not said, oh, okay, don't, if you don't trust me, go away. He did not say like that. He shown all his Bibhedacha Punastalan, Saptekena Maheshuna, Girim Rasatalancheva, Janayan Prityantada. He hit again 7 Tala Vrukshas to the 7 big Tala Vruksha, palm trees which were standing there with a single arrow, felling all of them, and the arrow comes back. So showing that yes, I am having this much capability, I can put my arrow, I have physical power, have all these powers. He proves that all the Tatah Preta Mamasteva Viswastas Samahakapihi. So that Sugriva Mahakapihi, he has now got Viswasa, confidence. Viswastassa Mahakapihi Kishkidnam Ramasahito Jagamacha Guham Tada. he has Jagama, he has went to Kishkinda along with the Rama. Tato Garjat Harivaraha, Sugrivo, Hemapingalaha, Tena Nadena Mahata, Nirjagama Harishwaraha. So again Rajadharma, he went and now challenged the Vali, come out, I will fight with you. Anumanya Tada Taram. Tara is wife of Vali and she is well known to be a great strategist. Rajadharma Charini, she knows the she used to advise the king. She says there is something wrong here, probably there is some power he has got and he has come. Anumanya Tadataram Sugrivena Samagatha Nijaganacha Tatrainam Sarainekena Raghavaha. So basically she given a counsel to Vali not to go for this fight. But even he will not take that. So again, Kala Choditaha, whenever some good counsel comes, an individual whose end time has come, he will not take that advice. This is another example of dharma and not following the dharma. Nijagana Jatatrena Sarainekena Raghavaha Tata Sugriva Vachanat Hatva Valinama Have Sugriva Meva Tadrajye Raghava Prityapadayat. So Sugriva, he killed Vali and he put the Sugriva as the king of that kingdom. Such a Sarvan Samaniya Vanaran Vanararshabha Disa Prasthapayamasa Didrukshur Janakatmajam. According to the agreement between these two people, he will kill Vali and such a Sarvan Samaniya Vanaran Vanararshabha. Now the king of Vanaras, the selected one of the Vanaras, Disa Prasthapayama, directions, all the directions, Prasthapayamasa Didrukshur Janakatmajam, to search for the Sita. Search and rescue mission has been started. Tato Grudhrasya Vachanat Sampatir Hanuman Bali Satayojana Vistirnam Pupluve Lavanarnavam. Tato Grudhrasya Vachanas. Again Grudhra has come. Sampati, brother of Jatayu. Vachanat, this Grudhra, long living, long far-sighted beings, they can see a far distance. With this Vachanat, Sampatehe, of Sampati, Hanuman Bali, Hanuman, who is having a lot of valor, lot of bala, Satayojana Vistirnam Pupluve Lavanarnavam. Lavanarnavam of the salt ocean, Pupluve jumped over. Satayojana Vistirnam of 100 yojanas. Satayojana Vistirnam Pupluve Lavanarnavam. Tatra Lankam Samasajya Purim Ravanapalitam Dadarsa Sitam Jhayantim Asokavanikam Gatam. So he has went to Lanka and he has seen the Niveditya Abhijnanam. He has now given Abhijnanam. He has given a password. Niveditva Abhijnanam. Only something which they both know. So he has got the confidence of Sita that he is a Dota of Rama by giving some secret message. Abhijnanam, Pravrittincha Nivedyacha, telling the behavior of Rama. So Hanuman observed Rama, Rama's physical qualities, his emotional qualities, his intellect, everything, all these things explaining, oh no, I am coming from Rama. I know this. So he has given a password. Samasvasya cha Vaidehim. Vaidehi has been consoled. Samasvasya cha Vaidehim Mardayamasa Toranam. Then he has went to show his valor. So after searching, after finding, after giving assurance to her, then he goes and Samasvasya on the Toranam. He sits on the Toranam and declares that he has come from Rama and all these things. Panchasenagragan Hatva, he killed 5 people. Panchasenagragan, Sapta Mantri Sutanapi, 7 Mantri, sons of Mantri Sutanam. Suram Akshancha Nispishya, son of Ravana, Aksha is a Rakshasa. Suram Akshancha Nispishya, Grahanam Sampagamat. After killing all these people, he got himself bound by them to go and give his message to Ravana. Astrayanoन्मुक्तमात्मानं ज्ञात्वा पैतामहात्. Again it is dharma, Duta dharma. A Duta has to go, do his duty, do something more if he can, give the message properly to the opponent king and come back. So Astrayanoन्मुक्तमात्मानं ज्ञात्वा पैतामहात् वरात् मर्शयन् राक्षसान् वीरो यन्त्रिणस्थान् युदृच्छया ततो दग्ध्वा पुरीं लङ्कां नृते सीताञ्च मैथिलीं रामाय प्रियमाख्यातुं पुनरायान् महाकपिः. Tato dagdhva purim lankam. Then he burnt all the, after giving the message, he burnt all the Lanka. Rute Sitancha Maithilim. Malli, again he has gone and seen the Maithili, Sita. Ramaya Priyamakhyatam, to tell the good news back to Rama. Punarayan Mahakapihi. Mahakapi, Hanuman, came back. Sobhigamyam Mahatmanam Krutva Ramam Pradakshinam Dharma. Again, he has come here and did a Pradakshina, keeping the revered person, revered god or whatever, to the right shoulder, going around that thing or a person to the god is called Pradakshinam. This shows the respect. Krutva Ramam Pradakshinam, having gone around to the Pradakshinam to the Rama, Nyavedayada me Atma Drashta Siteti Tattvataha Drashta Sita. So he is expecting the message. He said Sita first, Drashta Sita, seen. Sita has been seen by me. Passive voice. Drashta Siteti Tattvataha. I have seen Sita. Tattvataha, philosophically. I don't know what is philosophically here. So that is Drashtas Iteti Tattvataha. I really have seen Sita. She has been seen by me. Tatas Sugriva Sahito Gatva Tiram Mahodadhe Samudram Kshobhayamasa Sarair Aditya Sannibhaihi. Rama went to the ocean and he wanted to bring the ocean down so that people can cross over the ocean. Aditya Sannibhai, of the Saraihi, of his arrows which are having power of sunlight. He started trying to use that Aditya Sannibhai Saraihi to remove the ocean which is in between, obstacle in between going to Lanka. So it is stopping people to go and retrieve the Sita. Satayojana Vistirna, it is having 100 yojanas distance. Then Darsayamasa Chatmanam Samudra Saritam Patihi Samudra Vachanachaiva Nalam Setumakarayat. So then Samudra comes forward saying that it is my nature to be like this. So you have to find out a better way than making me not there here. So he says Samudra Vachanacha, Samudra, you can actually construct a bridge. So there are people who are asking how he has constructed bridge. Nalam Setumaka, Nala is the Vanara engineer of who has the lot of knowledge about buildings and construction. So Nala has been instructed to create a Setu. Nalam Setu Makarayat. So Rama asked Nala to create the Setu. Tena gatva purim lankam hatva ravanama have Rama Sitaamanuprapya param vridamupagamat. So Tena gatva purim lanka. Then after that it is a well-known Yuddhakanda. Whole big Yuddhakanda is told in one sloka, half a sloka. Tena gatva purim lankam hatva ravanama have. Gatva purim, having gone to the Lanka, having killed Ravana, Sita Manuprapya, having got Sita, Param Vridam Upagamat, he has gone into a great conflict of duties. What is this great conflict of duties? Now he is as a husband, he wants his wife back, but as a king should be completely blemishless. King's coronated queen, the wife of the king, should be again blemishless. People can say 100 things at 100 times. Tamu vacha tato Rama parusham janasamsadi amrushyamana sasita vivesa jvalanam sati. So he has here a lot of misconceptions are there. I will try to explain a bit here. So Rama didn't ask Sita to get into the fire or the sati or the fire. Rama only says Parusha Vakya in the sense he will not invite her with the open hands. He only says it is you can go anywhere wherever you want. This is the statement made by Rama. It is a simple statement but very hurting to a Pativrata like Sita. Then Sita Tatogni Sita Vivesajvalanam Sati. Sita asked a fire to be brought in and she entered into it. Immediately the fire god and all the gods have come. This is what has happened. Tato Agnivachanat Sitam Gnatva Vigatakalmasham Babhau Ramas Samprahrushtaha Pujitaha Sarvadevataihi. Having worshipped by all the gods. At that place actually there is a wonderful stotra. So that is a different video. At some point in time I will talk about that stotra. So all the devatas came there and he says, I am your great incarnation of Vishnu. Why are you asking Sita? And she is the Anapayani, your own power, your own Pranasamahita Sita, or the divine mother. You are the universal father. Why are you doing this? They will ask. And Pujitah Sarvadevatai Karmana Tena Mahata. So having done this, so he has retrieved his wife. Not only retrieved his wife, he has made sure that his wife is not getting any apaninda down the line. So he has done all those things. Karmana, this is all the dharma. Every step Rama has done, every word Rama spoke is Sanatana Arsha Dharma. Dharmajnaha, Satyasandaha. Karmana tena mahata trilokyam sacharacharam. By this karma, so the Ravana need to be removed. Ravana is causing lot of trouble to three lokas, not only Bhumi. He is causing trouble to people in the Devaloka, Rakshasaloka, Manushaloka, everybody. Karmanate trilokyam sacharacharam, chara acharam. So all the moving and unmoving beings, sadevarshiganam, Deva Rishiganam, Sadevarshigunam, Tushtam Raghavasya Mahatmanaha. By this action of Rama, Karmanatena Mahata, such a great act of removing Ravana, Tushtam, everybody has become Tushti, they have become happier, they have become fulfilled, they have become happy. Abhishitya cha Lankayam Rakshasendram Vibhishanam Krutakrutya Ramo Vijvara Pramodaha. Abhishitya cha Lankayam, in the Lanka, the coronation is done. Abhishitya cha Lankayam Rakshasendram Vibhishanam. Vibhishana has been established as the king of Lanka. Krutakrutya Ramo, having performed his duties, Ramo Vijvaraha Pramodaha. Rama has become happy. Pramodaha. Moda is enjoyment, happy, happiness, complacence. He has achieved that, having performed his duty. Kritakrutya Ramo Vijvara Pramodaha. Devatabhyo varam praptya samuthapya cha vanaran ayodhyam prasthito Ramaha pushpakena suhurudvrataha. Until now, Rama is doing Dakshinayana. Rama coming from heart Ayodhya to all the way to Lanka, Muladhara Chakra, in the downward, southward direction. And then having Devatabhyo varam praptya, all the Devatas who have come, he has got a varam. Not for his sake. When Devatas come, he has not asked something for himself. He said, Samuthapya cha vanaran. All the vanaras who have wounded or died in the war, Samuthapyaha, they have brought them back, everyone back. Ayodhyam prasthito Ramaha pushpakena suhurudvrataha. The Pushpaka Vimana is taken from the south, northward journey started. Bharadvajashramam gatva Ramah Satya Parakramaha. Now Rama's Parakrama is Satya, truthful Parakrama. We have proven his Parakrama has been proven by complete his movement through all the way. Rama Ayanam South Ayanam. Satya Parakramaha Bharatasyantigo Ramo Hanumantam Vyasarjayat. From the Bharadvajashrama, he asked Hanuman to go and give the message that to the Bharata, because Bharata is waiting too long and Bharata is almost in a situation that he is so worried Rama has not come. So he has given a message. Punarakhyayikam jalpan sugriva sahitaschasaha pushpakandat samaruhya nandigramam yayau tada. With Sugriva, talking about Akhyayika and Jalpam, talking about all these Akhyayikas, all the narrations, stories, what has happened, how it has happened. As a friend, we keep reviewing, talking, understanding what to do. All the Nandigrame jatam hitva bhatrubhis sahito nagaha Ramaha Sitaamanuprapya rajyam punaravaptavan. Ramaha Sitaamanuprapya, having got the Sita, rajyam punaravaptavan. He has got the rajyam. Nandigrame jatam hitva. In the Nandigrama, he has removed the jata. Jata is the Aranyavasa dharma. He will not, the comb, the hair, or hair dressing is not there. They are put into the jatas. So they are put with the milk of a tree milk, palm tree milk has been put in there. So they become stuck to each other. That is called jatam. Jatam hitva bhratrubhis sahito nagaha Rama Sitaamanuprapya rajyam punaravaptavan prahrushta mudito lokaha. So తుష్టః పుష్టః సుధార్మికః నిరామయో హ్యరోగశ్చ దుర్భిక్ష భయవర్జితః. సో ఇన్ concise form, now we have gone through the whole of Ramayana in 89 slokas. First 4 slokas is the question, next 10 slokas is the Balakanda, then Ayodhya Kanda, then we have seen the Aranya Kanda, then Kishkinda Kanda, then Sundarakanda, means then Yuddha Kanda in half a sloka. Then after that Yuddha Kanda, the rest of the thing we have seen what has happened after that. Nandigrama coming back, Rama's Pattabhisheka. So all this Dharmatma, such a Dharmatma king ruling a place, what will happen? This is called Phalasruti. What a Ramarajya looks like. Now Narada is explaining that to Valmiki Maharshi. Prahurushto mudito loko. Prahurushtaha. Now Hrushta is happiness. Prahurushtaha, completely happiness, happy. Muditaha, they are very joyful also. Muditaha. Lokaha, tushtaha, they are contented. Happiness means just okay, acting happiness alla. So tushtaha, pushtaha, they are being nourished. Sudharmikaha, all are following the dharma, their own dharmas. Niramayo, not having any diseases, amayas, mental or physical. Arogascha, niramayaha, mental illness, arogascha, rogas, physical illnesses. Durbhiksha bhayavarjitaha, not having a fear of durbhiksha. Oh, I will have food tomorrow or not. Durbhiksha, bhiksha is to get something and eat. Durbhiksha, not having something to eat. Bhaya varjita, durbhiksha bhayavarjitaha. Na putra maranam kechit, no younger person is dying in his. No, it is a queue. The elder people will have to pass away. Younger should be there to take care of their anchakriyas and all those things. Drakshanti purushaha kvachit, no naryascha avidhava nityam. No person is dying leaving his wife. Means avidhava. Vidhava means one who is not there to take care. Nobody is there to take care of her. Such vidhavas are not there. Avidhava nityam bhavishyanti pativrataha. All the women are doing pativrata, or they are doing their dharma of following their husbands' dharmas. So helping the husbands to follow the dharmas. Sanatana Arsha dharma, an individual is not considered as one unit. Always a wife and husband as a unit is considered as one unit. This unit is the basis of dharma. For dharma to run, a husband and wife should be together. They have to do the grihastha dharma. Then only kids will be brought up properly. All the dharma will remain in that way. So naryascha avidhava nityam bhavishyanti pativrataha. Narya, all the women were following their own respective husbands and following the rules of dharma. Nacha agnijam bhayam kinchit, napsu majjanti jantavaha, there is no fear from the fire. Agnijam bhayam kinchit, napsu majjanti jantavaha, there is no fear from waters. There nothing is drowning in water. Navatajam bhayam kinchit, there is no fear of wind, wind god, vatajam, vata. Napi jvarakrutam tadha, there is no fever, jvara, any fevers or any that kind of contaminating diseases. Natpi jvarakrutam tadha, nachapi kshudbhayam tatra, there is no fear of hunger. Natatra taskara bhayam tadha, there are no thieves, because everybody is getting their own respective remuneration for their own dharma. Why somebody will go and steal something from somebody? Nagarani cha rashtrani dhanadhanya yutani cha nityam pramudita sarve yatha kruta yuge tadha. Rama is in the Treta Yuga. But the dharma, nagarani cha rashtrani dhanadhanya yutani cha nityam pramudita sarve yatha krita yuge tadha. So here Narada Maharshi is telling a secret. In Ramarajya, even though that is a Treta Yuga, time is telling only 3/4 of dharma should be there. 4/4, all 100% dharma is being preserved there. Yatha Kruta Yuga tadha. In the Kruta Yuga dharmas are being felt there. Aswamedha Setairistva tadha Bahusu Varnakai. Aswamedha Yajnas Setaihi, hundreds of Aswamedhas he has performed. Tadha Bahu Suvarnakai, Suvarnakayo homas, Bahu, so many he has performed. Gavam kotyayutam datva. Cows kotyayutam, crores, in the numbers of crores, datva vidvadbhyo vidhipurvakam. Vidvadbhyaha, people who have knowledgeable, vidvat, one who is having the wisdom, such vidvatvo, such wisdom people have been given with cows. Why cows? Because they take the milk of the cow and do the Agnihotra. So for that purpose, Gavam, all the cows are Kotyayutam Datva Vidvadbhyo Vidhipurvakam. That too Vidhipurvakam. That is the Vidhi. King's duty is to protect the Dharma. To protect the Dharma, people who know Dharma need to be protected first. That Vidvadbhyo, the wisdom, the wise people need to be protected. They should not be running around here and there for the livelihood. So king has to take care of the wise people. Asankheyam dhanandatva brahmanebhyo mahayasyaha rajavamsyan satagunan stapayishyati raghavaha. Hundreds of rajavamsas have been established by the Rama. Rama never said, I am the only king. This is very important in the Dharma. Rajavamsyan satagunan Sthapayishyati Raghavaha. So hundreds of Rajavamsas have been established by the Rama. Chaturvarnyancha lokesmin sve sve dharme niyokshati. All the four classes of people have been put into their own duties. Sve sve dharme, their own duties. Niyokshati has been engaged in their own duties. Dasa Varsha Sahasrani, Dasa Varsha Satanicha, Ramo Rajyam Upasitva Brahmalokam Priyasyati. Dasa Varsha Sahasrani, 10 thousands of years and 10 hundreds of years. Dasa Varsha Satanicha. Satani Sahasrani are a long period. So 10,000 and 1,000, 11,000 years. Ramo Rajyam Upasitva. Upasana is something like sitting near and taking care of something. Upasana is not something, okay, let it happen, let me see when thing comes. Upasana is complete dedication to what you are doing. Ramo Rajyam Upasitva. Ramo Rajya Paripalana. It is not just Paripalana. He has done Upasana of the Rajyam. So there is a lot of difference in this world. It is not just public administration. It is not that I appointed people and people are taking care. My health department takes care of this. My wealth department takes care of this. This will no. He has actually done the Upasana, means he has put everything of his whole being into the Rajyam. Rajyam is taking care of the territory in which the people who are seeking the protection are there. So it is human resources, natural resources. Rajyam Upasitva Brahmalokam Prayasyati. In the future tense, he will go to Brahmaloka. At that time, Narada is telling Sampradhan Loke, though it is in the future tense, he will go to Brahmalokam Prayasyati. Idam Pavitram Papaghnam Punyam Vedaischa Sammitam Yah Pated Ramacharitam Sarvapapai Pramuchyate. Idam, this Pavitram, purifying, Papaghnam. How it will purify? By Ghnam, by breaking away the sins. Papaghnam. Ghna is to break or destroy. Destroying the sins. Punyam, by giving the punya, virtue. Vices are removed, virtues are given. Now Rama's virtues are encompassed in this whole, it is inside in this whole narration. So people who listen to it, they will take into the Rama's virtues. Punyam, Vedaischa Sammitam. What Vedas are there? Here there is a invocation. Riks are there. Yajas are there. Samas are there. Stotras are there. In this Ramayana, Vedaischa Sammitam, Yappathet Ramacharitam Sarvapapai Pramuchyate. This is known as Falasruti Sloka. Idam, this, until now we have read 98 slokas. Yetadakhyanam pathan Ramayanam naraha saputra pautraha saganaha pretyah swarge mahiyate. Yetadakhyayanam. This narration, Akhyayika, it is not a story. It is a Akhyayanam, Arsham, Akhyayanam, Narada is telling. So Narada has nothing to do with this world. He is not in this world. He has no concern about this world also. Means, strictly speaking, for his own being, he will not get a rupee, he will not get a bestseller tag on him, by telling what pleases somebody. Whatever is there, it is told. Satyam. Whatever is Satyam only has been told by Narada to somebody who is Satyavak Paripalana. Again, Valmiki is Sapasvadhyaya Naratam. So, etadakyanam ayushyam pathan Ramayanam naraha saputra pautraha saganaha pretyah swarge mahiyate. What will happen? His only putra pautra ganas, his sons and grandsons along with them, saganaha, along with all his groups, Pretya Swarge Mahiyate, one who Etadakhyanam Pathan. Pathan is not just reading out, taking it in, feeling it, following it. Pathan Ramayanam Naraha, Saputra Pautra Saganaha, Pretya Swarge Mahiyate. So finally, the 99th sloka is over, 100th sloka. Pathan Dvijo Vagrishabhattamiyat, Syat Kshatriyo Bhumipatittamiyat, Vanikjanah Panyaphalattamiyat, Janascha Sudropi Mahattamiyat. All the four varnas will get their own respective fruits by reading, understanding, getting it in, following. What happens? Pathan Dvijo, Dvijaha, twice born. Vagrashabhattamiyat, Vagrashabhattam, their walk will be selected walk, means they will have Vagrashabhattam, power in the walk. Say something, it will be made truth. So that is what will come for a Ramayana Pathan. Dvijo Vagrashabhattamiyat, his word will become Satya Vakya. Syat Kshatriyo Bhumipatittamiyat. If it is Kshatriya, they will get Bhumipatitvam. They will get the lordship over a territory. Bhumipatittamiyat. Vanikjanaha Panya Phalattamiyat. Vaniks, Vaisyas, means who are doing the Vyavasaya and Vyapara, all the worldly transactions, who are doing Panya Phalattamiyat, they will get their right level profits. Panya Phalattam. If they have sown some seeds, those seeds will give their respective fruit. If they are doing business, they get their profit. Panya Phalattamiyat. Janascha Sudropi Mahattamiyat. Even the hard working class people, they also by get the Mahatvam, the happiness and Mahattamiyat, they will be reaching to their own greatness in their own respective fields of duties. They could be doing hard work, they will be artistic work. All those people who are doing a non-business kind of a work model, they will get their Mahatvam, their greatness in their respective fields by understanding this Ramayana. Ityarshe Srimad Ramayane Valmikiye Adikavye Balakande Prathama Sargaha. So thus is known as the Sankshepa Ramayana. So the Rishi of Narada is explaining. Based on this narration, later Valmiki developed a 24,000 slokas worth of Ramayana. That Ramayana was made in 22nd Mahayuga of this Vaivasvata Manvantara. Now we are sitting in 28th Mahayuga. Kali Yuga. In that Kali Yuga, 5,121 years passed, 5,122nd year, 5th day, Panchami, very auspicious Lakshmi Panchami, Sri Panchami, it is known Vasanta Panchami. This is in the Vasanta Rutu. In the Navaratri, Sri Ramanavami is on the 2nd April. It is another 4 days. Navami will come. Today is Panchami, Sashti, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami. As part of that, my this small effort is to at least explain the Sankshepa Ramayana for the people to get all these benefits which are given by the Rishis. I am not saying what benefits you will get. In the right sense, people can try to listen to it, read it as per your capability, at least remember its meaning, be reminded of Ramakatha, say Ramanama, by which all the difficulties which are there in this current Kali Yuga can be passed over, we can cross them over, and reach that state of Parabrahma Swarupa, Sri Ramachandra. So there could be lot of mistakes. Those mistakes are all mine. They cannot be attributed to the rishis or the gurus. It is this ego which sits here and commits those mistakes. But otherwise, the essential meaning of Ramayana, the Sanatana Dharma, Veda, all the Vedas Sara is been put into this Kavya to bring the Vedas into the everybody's reach. All the people can approach Ramayana for this divine knowledge and thereby those divine results, as said in the Sanatana Dharma's 4 Purusharthas: Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. The Dharma is the basis of all others. Without the Dharma, Satya, Dharma, Rata, without understanding the Satya, Dharma, Ratas, the Dharma, knowledge of Dharma, Ardha Kamas can be very deceiving. Wealth and desire fulfillment can be causing a lot of troubles to the people. So the Dharma need to come up, and on that it has to, Ardha and Kama has to stand. Then finally the Moksha, the 4th Purushartha, will automatically, one person will be led towards the Moksha. So that by that way, study of the Ramayana will put a person on the right path onto the Dharma. It will lead to proper Ardha Kamas, fulfillment of desires and wealth, fame, name, everything in the righteous means, on the correct model, in the perfect way. And then it will not become an obstacle for the moksha. And a seeker of moksha will easily get onto the moksha dharma. You can go to Dandakaranya, take Vanaprastha easily. If Rama can take 14 years of Vanaprastha, why not a Grihastha of Kali Yuga can take? It can definitely take. We will get great sages like Agastya, Bharadwaja, Maharshi, still in the places, in various places. And people will be able to get the 4 Purusharthas. So the 4 Purusharthas of Manava Janma can be achieved simply by following the Ramayana. So that is the simple message I named ego named Prasad, wanted to give. With that, we will do Swasti mantra, because after reading the Ramayana, Pattabhisheka Sarga need to be read. But in the interest of time, only the Mangala slokas I will take. Swasti prajabhya paripalayantam nyayena margyena mahim mahishaah gobrahmanebhya subhamastu nityam lokas samastas sukhino bhavantu kale varshatu parjanyah prithvi sasyashalini desoyam kshobarahito brahmanas santu nirbhayah aputraah putranas santu pautrinah adhanas sadhanas santu jivantu saradam shatam charitam raghunadhasya shatakoti pravistaram ekaikamaksharam proktam mahapatakaнаशनम shrunvan ramayanam bhaktya yah padam padameva va sayati brahmanastanam brahmana pujyate sada ramaya ramabhadraya ramachandraya vedhase रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः मंगलम कोसलेन्द्राय महनीय गुणाब्धये चक्रवर्ती तनूजाय सर्वभौमाय मंगलम वेद वेदांत वेद्याय मेघश्यामलमूर्तये पुंसां मोहन रूपाय पुण्यक्षेत्राय पुण्यश्लोकाय मंगलम विश्वामित्रांतरंगाय मिथिला नगरीपतेः भाग्यानां परिपाकाय भव्य रूपाय मंगलम पितृभक्ताय सततं भातृभिः सहित सीतया नंदिताखिल लोकाय रामभद्राय मंगलम त्यक्त साकेतवासाय चित्रकूटनिविहारिणे सेव्याय सर्वयमिनां धीरोदाराय मंगलम सौमित्रिणा च जानक्याः चापबाणासिधारिणे संसेव्याय सदा भक्त्या स्वामिने मम मंगलम దండకారణ్యవాసాయ ఖండితామరశత్రవే గృధ్రరాజాయ భక్తాయ ముక్తిదాయాస్తు మంగళం. సాదరం శబరీదత్త ఫలమూలాభిలాషిణే సౌలభ్య పరిపూర్ణాయ సత్యోద్రిక్తాయ మంగళం. హనుమత్సమవేతాయ హరీశాభీష్టదాయినే వాలిప్రమథనాయాస్తు మహాధీరాయ మంగళం. శ్రీమతే రఘువీరాయ సేతూల్లంఘిత సింధవే జితరాక్షసరాజాయ రణధీరాయ మంగళం. అసాధ్యనగరీం దివ్యాం అభిషిక్తాయ సీతయా రాజాధిరాజరాజాయ రామభద్రాయ మంగళం. మంగళాశాసనపరైః మదాచార్యపురోగమైః సర్వైశ్చ పూర్వైః ఆచార్యైః సత్కృతయాయాస్తు మంగళం. కాయేన వాచా మనసేంద్రియైర్వా బుద్ధ్యాత్మనా వా ప్రకృతే స్వభావాత్ కరోమి యజ్జత్ సకలం పరస్మై నారాయణాయేతి సమర్పయామి. యదక్షరపదభ్రష్టం మాత్రాహీనం తు యద్భవేత్ తత్సర్వం క్షమ్యతాం దేవర. శ్రీరాఘవ నమోऽస్తు తే. ఆత్మాత్వం క్షితిజామతి ప్రాణాః శరీరం గృహం పూజాతే విషయోపభోగరచనా నిద్రా సమాధిస్థితి సంచారః పదయో ప్రదక్షిణ విధి స్తోత్రాణి సర్వాగిరో యద్యత్కర్మ కరోమి తత్తదఖిలం రామాస్తు తే పూజనం. స్వస్తి.